Have you ever been late? Just 1 minute late? Sometimes 1 minute can change everything. Today, Alex has an important flight. He thinks he has plenty of time, but he is about to learn a very important lesson. Let's begin. Alex woke up early on Saturday morning. He looked at his alarm clock. It was 6 o'clock. He smiled. Today, he was flying to London. He had an important job interview the next morning. He had dreamed about this job for many months.
Today is my lucky day. Everything is ready. I won't be late.
Alex checked his suitcase one last time. He packed clean clothes. His passport was inside. His phone charger was inside. His toothbrush was inside. Everything was ready. He closed the suitcase and picked it up. Perfect. I didn't forget anything.
Now it's time to go. Outside, the weather was bright and sunny. Alex called a taxi. Only a few minutes later, it arrived. Good morning. Where are you going today? Good morning. Please take me to the airport. My flight leaves at 10 o'clock. No problem. We should arrive in about 30 minutes. Please fasten your seatbelt. The taxi drove through the city. Alex looked out of the window. People were walking to work. Some were drinking coffee. Others were waiting for buses. Everything looked peaceful. Alex felt relaxed. I'm glad I left home early. I'll arrive before boarding starts. But after 15 minutes, the taxi suddenly stopped. There was a long line of cars. Nobody was moving. The driver looked ahead. Oh no! There's a traffic jam. It looks serious. Traffic? How long will it take? I'm not sure. Maybe 10 minutes? Maybe longer? Alex looked at his watch. 9 o'clock. He still had time, but every minute felt slower than before. 5 minutes passed. Then another 5. The traffic barely moved again. Alex became nervous. He gently tapped his fingers on the seat. Come on, please move. I really need to catch my flight. Finally, the traffic started moving again. The taxi reached the airport entrance. Alex quickly paid the driver. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. You're welcome. Good luck with your flight. Alex grabbed his suitcase. He hurried inside the airport. The terminal was busy. People were checking in. Children were laughing. Airport announcements echoed through the building. Alex looked up at the departure screen. His flight to London was now boarding. Attention passengers. Flight 218 to London is now boarding at gate 12. Please proceed to the gate. That's my flight. I still have time. I can make it. Alex ran toward security. But when he arrived, he stopped. The security line was very long. He looked at the clock. Then he looked at the line. He took a deep breath. Would he reach the gate before it closed? Alex looked at the long security line. He felt nervous. He checked the time again. The line was moving, but very slowly. Every minute was important. Please, I have to catch my flight. A woman standing in front of Alex noticed his worried face. Are you in a hurry?
Yes. My flight is boarding now. I'm afraid I'll be late.
You can go in front of me. Good luck.
Really? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Alex smiled. He quickly moved forward. Soon it was his turn.
He placed his backpack and suitcase on the security scanner. Then the security officer looked at the screen. "Sir, could you please open your backpack?" "Of course. Is there a problem?" "There's a bottle of water inside. You can't take it through security." "Oh, I forgot about it. I'm sorry." "That's okay. We'll remove it. Please remember next time." "I will. Thank you." Alex picked up his backpack. Then he started running.
Alex picked up his backpack. Then he started running. He followed the airport signs. Gate 8, Gate 10, Gate 12. Finally, he could see his gate. "I'm almost there. Please don't close the gate." Alex ran as fast as he could. He held up his boarding pass. Just as he reached the gate, the airport employee closed the door. "Wait! Please! That's my flight!" "I'm very sorry, sir. Boarding has already closed." "But I'm here! I only need a few seconds." "I understand, but the airplane is ready to leave. I can't open the gate again." Alex looked through the large airport window. The airplane slowly moved away. He sighed. How late was I? Only 1 minute. 1 minute! I can't believe it! Alex sat down quietly. He felt disappointed. He thought about the traffic. He thought about the security line. Then the gate agent walked back to him.
"Excuse me, Alex. I have some good news. There is another flight to London this afternoon. There is 1 seat available. Would you like to change your ticket?"
Really? Yes, please. That would be wonderful. The gate agent smiled. She printed a new boarding pass. "Here you are. This flight leaves in 3 hours. You have plenty of time now." "Thank you very much. You really saved my day." Alex waited at the airport cafe. He enjoyed a sandwich and a hot coffee. This time, he stayed close to his gate. 2 hours later, boarding began. Alex was one of the first passengers in line. He smiled as he walked onto the airplane. Today taught me something important. Being early is always better than being 1 minute late. Alex arrived safely in London. The next morning, he went to his job interview feeling confident. Sometimes, one small mistake teaches us a valuable lesson. And sometimes, a second chance is all we need. Thank you for listening to today's Easy English story. What would you do if you missed your flight by 1 minute? Write your answer in the comments using English. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Easy English stories. See you next time. Goodbye.